welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing well. I'm here for another tutorial. Actually, it's a part 2 of my previous tutorial. If you didn't see, then must watch my previous tutorial on how to make molds for resin. Okay, so in that video I used a plastic sheet as a mold. So many of you guys asked me that what kind of sheet is that. It's a PVC transparent sheet and also it's bendable. Alright, now in this video I use hot glue as a mold. Here is a glue gun which I'll use. In this video I'll use both of these plastic sheet as a base and glue for creating a shape. Firstly, I draw a pattern that I want. I draw on a paper cause it's a little bit difficult to draw on a sheet, so that's why. Place the sheet on top of the paper and tape the sides well. This will keep the sheet from moving out of place while you're working on it. Wait for the glue gun to heat up. Don't know why, but my hands become too shaky. Oh my god. Clear the glue particles by using tape. And just one layer of circle in the middle cause we don't need a too much high boundaries, so yeah. That's how it's look. Removing the paper because I don't need it anymore, and let's test the resin. I don't need much amount of resin, so I use this small cup. If you use 1:1 resin, then make sure you are pouring equal quantity of resin and hardener. Now stir it gently. I fast forward the video cause it takes too much time, but you carefully mix it well and slowly to prevent the bubbles. Spread the resin well into each corner. I don't see any leakage, so it's worked. Now I'm thinking about, while we are testing resin, why not do something interesting? Like adding colors in it. I'm using acrylic color, but you can use any kind of pigments like mica powder, acrylic ink, and any dye-based color, food color, alcohol ink, and resin tint, and even you can use eyeshadows as well. But don't dare to ruin your new eyeshadow palette. Now I'm adding purple color. It gives a perfect contrast with golden. I like how the color flowed on the surface. And now adding black into the middle. Oops, I think I messed up. Well, I mixed the black color into the purple, so that's how the mess up created. Anyways, let's move on. After the first layer properly dry, I apply the second layer. It takes 6 to 7 hours to cure, so just wait until then. Before curing, heat it up to clear the bubbles. By using torch, you can use lighter, igniter, blow dry, etc. But be careful not to heat it too closely. Removing the tape because it's totally dry now, so let's demold it. It comes off very easily. You can also try this method. There you go, here's the look of this piece. It has sharp edges and imperfections yet. Oops, where are you going? Stay here. Remove the glue from the back side. And fill the space with golden color. And now to give a finished look, apply another layer to backside. After 6 to 7 hours, it's properly dry now. Let's see to the front side. Wow, not bad at all. Okay, for smoothen the edges, I used sandpaper. Because of sandpaper, it has scratches all over, so we apply another layer for smoothing the surface. it's ready. Now it's look fine, smooth and shiny. Let's put the keychain in it. Thank you for watching till the end. Like, subscribe and share. So that's it. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.